working on a lawnmower, and my brother's gonna be working on a robot.
Hello, sir. How's my robot coming out?
Oh no.
I brought it to you to fix it.
I know.
Is it almost fixed? Because I need it for my restaurant to serve people food.
Oh, food?
Yeah.
And we're not done.
Oh, it's not done yet?
No.
Oh. How much more longer?
3 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
Great. Hi, sir.
Hi.
How's my lawnmower coming out?
Good.
My grass is getting really long, and I need to cut it soon.
Oh, it's gonna take like 3 minutes.
Oh, okay.
So like, yeah, probably like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Try to fix it so you could get turned on. All done. I'm done here.
Okay, great, sir.
Yeah.
Perfect. My robot is good to go.
Yeah. I did this.
Okay, nicely done.
Yeah.
All right, he looks good.
Yeah.
You are the best.
I got more.
Oh, I see you got more work to do.
Yeah,
Okay,
I got
more orders. Great. Okay, great.
And this is a funny situation.
Okay, I'll be back later to pick it up, okay? Okay, see you guys later.
See you guys.
All right, bye.
Come on, let's get to work. Like I just said, just want to check. What we doing. I'm hungry. You want me to go get food or something? Oh. Oh, the wind. You want to go get food or something? I'm hungry, yeah? The big one. You're on the right. This really is great. Okay, I'm gonna get my bike. Oh, hold on. I need to find one first. Oh yeah. Okay. What's this one? Look at I see it. Oh, okay. Okay, I wonder what he has there to eat. Alright, let's go. Go, yeah, what's up? Okay, let's go this way. there. No, right there. Hi. Hello. Hello. What would you like? Our menu's right here. What would you like? It's right here. I want pizza and chicken and fries. Fish. And chicken. Okay?
So you would like chicken nuggets, a soda, and french fries. Is that correct?
I want Happy Meal.
Oh, you would like a Happy Meal.
Yeah, Happy Meal.
Would you like apple or would you like candy?
Candy.
Okay, candy here it is. Your order will be done in 10 minutes, so we'll call you when you're done, okay? Okay.
Give me this.
Next. Hi. How may I help you? Our menu is right here, sir.
I would like 2 tacos and one juice, which is water, and I want one burger, please.
So you would like 2 tacos and a burger? Did
Yeah.
you say anything else?
No, that's it.
Do you want no drinks, french fries? Nothing?
No.
Okay. Your order will be done in 10 minutes. Go sit over there, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can't wait for my food. Yeah, me too. Oh, shoot. Get it. Wait, ketchup. Oh, I'm gonna put ketchup on my tacos. Yeah, we need food. She said wait for 10 minutes. What? He said wait for 10 minutes.
Come on, hot dog. We need you in here. The customers are needing the food. Please work for me. I got it in. Our children's order is ready. Our children's order is ready.
Thank you.
Would you like any ketchup or anything, sir?
No, because this ketchup is too.
Okay, thank you. Your order will be ready. I'm so sorry. Is that okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Excuse me?
Here.
Did you forget to give me my water?
Oh,
Thank
here you go. Thank you. Would you like your receipt, sir? Oh, it's okay.
No, thank you.
Rice corn. We need some chicken. Just give him some meat. Where is his candy? Oh, it's on the floor. Here's the food. Now we need to open this bag. Don't fall. You struggle. Okay, we need french fries.
I got milk! Here, seashore. How do you want to meet me?
Okay, yes.
Pretty sure. I don't know. Wait. Is that better? Oh, where's your order? Where's your order?
Thank you.
Hang on, wait, sorry. I ordered a banana and some chocolate in there. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Would you guys have the tray or not?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I got water in my. He got soda.
Kenny.
Oh yeah, you remember you asked Penny?
What the hell?
There's candy in there.
Yeah.
Eat some.
Yeah.
What do you have in there? Let's eat.
Thank you, Connie. Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
It's your Connie son, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, look at like a whole hamburger.
Oh, show your thing.
Look at this.
No, I need to do is that.
Oh, just get it.
No, I got was going to the house. It's chocolate.
Get it.
No, I read. It's
Wait, I'm gonna put
finished.
ketchup.
There's a banana.
Oh, nice.
Oh, there.
I covered up with
Red
ketchup.
trash. Red trash, guy. Red trash.
I don't know. Just put it in the bag.
After you talk, banana, okay?
Yeah.
Banana, red trash. Red trash.
Oh, for like a trash, sir?
Yeah.
It's over there, sir. Oh no, my
Oh, shoot. Oh. Hey, banana.
Please
Oh,
help me.
yeah. Is that what's that?
Oh God, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This means so much to me. Oh God. Oh no, where's the corn?
Corn?
Oh no, here's the corn.
Oh, shoot, right here. Oh, shoot. Ah.
Oh God, thank you so
Oh,
much.
shoot. Oh, no. It's okay. Everything's fine.
Can I look? Thank you so much. Good boy. Thank you. That's so big. Oh,
Oh, shoot. Yeah.
I'm so sorry, sir. You know what? I'll get them myself.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh, shoot, but
Are you done with your food? You're done with your food?
Look.
Oh,
Chicken.
fries.
Shoot, chicken. And fries. What?
That's cool.
Yummy.
Yeah, God.
I'll put ketchup on it. Oh, shoot, I drop it. The milk.
Pretty milk in there?
And eat it.
No, that's good.
Yummy.
Alright, I'm done. Oh my God. So, trash, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, so full. I'll think I'll fix a few more.
Yes. Oh, shoot. Yeah. It's too good. Oh, no. I
I don't want to get.
Grab my stuff. Is my
my stuff ready, sir?
It's so cool.
Excuse me, sir. I'm not gonna get no complaints about your food. I've been waiting for these for 2 weeks and it's not ready.
Looks right.
What's going on, man?
It's so long. It won't let me fit out.
Oh no, I'm not gonna fix my stuff here again ever.
This is ready.
It better be.
I don't know. I know where. Oh, so bad.
Sir, it's backwards.
What?
No help with that.
I need to fix the wheels in that too because
Well, man,
Yeah,
does it really take you 2 weeks to fix a lawnmower? I don't think so. I mean, a robot, it is difficult, but it's not right.
I just need screwing these. I don't
I need to cut my grass is so long, it's like up to my legs, sir. What's going on? Excuse me, I'm the customer. You're supposed to be nice to me. Jesus Christ. This is not good. Excuse me? That's my stuff. I paid you $2,000 to fix this, and you guys said it would be worth it. Apparently it isn't.
No. Sir.
Alright, we're done. Is this ready? It looks way better, by the way. But is this ready?
This is puppy. This is not you. This is a puppy.
Man, are you really breaking my stuff? Seriously? Oh, gosh.
There. Eat the hammer.
This is ready, right? I need this from my customers.
Okay, babe. Fine, sir.
Come on, man. I need my grass before it gets all dark and stuff, man.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
It's it like that.
It does work.
There you just. That's about work. Stick them. And turn it on.
I know how my lawnmower
Okay, that's
I know how my lawnmower works, sir. Thank you very much. Excuse me.
what?
I haven't run. Oh, you guys want money?
What money?
Oh yeah.
That would be like
Cause I paid you guys $2,000, but you guys said it was like 2,100. 3,000 How much money do I owe you then? $400. Alright, let me go get it from my card, man.
fix that, but no, what else is someone This clean up and close the shop.
Excuse me, sir. Here your $400.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Here you go. I added some tips right there, even though you guys got me mad, but you guys did a good job, so thank you very much. Bye.
Let's clean up. No, this you can leave it there. But Oh, we crashed the bike guy. We got a backpack. You got him? Let's just go to the swings and play. You want to go to the swings? Okay, the pool was good. Catch the robber that stole their bike. So now we got a bike, but he's stealing it again. We catch him the first time. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe. No, like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this.